Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are all doing well. So I have this brand new wig from ISEE, and y'all, I'm not even trying to lie to you guys. I'm super excited about this wig. But before I get into it, this is everything that I received with my wig. Per usual, you know, they always hook you up. So y'all have to definitely check out ISEE Hair. Now, this is a part of their Princess collection, but this is their new upgraded V-part wig. Like, I know you guys are probably thinking, like, V-part wigs been around for like a while now, but this is their new upgraded cap. It does kind of have like that bracket instilled in the V part area. It's kind of like an inner boning, making this wig lay extremely flat against your head. Now, this V part wig has two wefted clips and a removable comb. Once again, this is what this unit looks like. Again, it does have that boning around the V part, so you are going to need to definitely pull out your natural hair on top. The comb in the very back is removable, so if you don't want to cause any breakage at your nape, you can definitely remove those combs. Now, when I first saw this unit, it reminded me of like a twist out, a braid out. So last night I did put two little braids on top of my head. Now, I don't know if it's completely dry, so you guys have to bear with me because this was kind of like spare of the moment. I went ahead and braided up what used to be a blowout. And I'm trying to get my natural hair to mimic the look of the wig, because I just love the look of the wig. It just looked very natural. It was giving me like a twist out, braid out vibe. You guys can see how close it looks to my hair, but my hair is still a little wet, so y'all keep that in mind. But I just went ahead and pinned up the back of my hair. I don't need that for now. No stocking cap or anything is needed for this particular style. And now I'm going to go ahead and install the unit. Now, with this new 3D cap with the brackets around the V part opening, you can achieve a very quick and easy installation. So if you're a beginner, this is not going to be too difficult for you at all. And you guys can see exactly how this wig looks. I don't even have braids sitting around the V part opening. You don't even have it. But me, I'm going to go ahead and push the wig off of my hairline, and then I'm going to go ahead and install those wefted clips. And I did also use the comb in the very back. You guys can see exactly how sturdy this unit is sitting and how natural it looks. It looks very natural along the V part opening. You don't even notice the tracking around the V part opening. It looks so realistic. So if the wind blows, you don't have to worry about it looking super fake or unrealistic or anything like that. People are still going to think it's your real hair. So this wig is definitely given realistic. Now, once again, y'all see my natural hair. It was still a little wet, so it's not really looking like the wig as I had hoped, but I'm still gonna try to work with it for the most part. Now, my hair is a little longer than the wig. Y'all, I picked up an 18-inch thinking that it was gonna work out for myself, but you know, my hair is still a little bit longer than the actual unit. So y'all bear with me because I'm going to fix this. Bear with me for just a second. I'm going to fix it, but I'm going to go ahead and lay down my baby hairs, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my elastic band just to get that to dry and look super natural. So the right side of my hair, well, y'all left, my right side of my hair was looking good. It was perfect. But the other side was a little wet, so y'all, the whole thing has to change right now. So I'm just spraying my hair with a little bit of water, and then I'm going through it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I have this Wash and Go cream jelly product, and I'm applying that to the section. Then I'm just going to go ahead and twist up my hair. I feel like this wig is giving twist out vibes, so I'm going to go ahead and twist it and do that to both sides of my hair, because we can't just fix that side. We got to fix the other side too, in hopes that I can get a little bit of shrinkage so that my hair will be, you know, the same length as the wig, and everything can look cohesive and nice and natural, and everything can just flow together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to both sides, and I went ahead and did the other side off camera. Now I'm going to go in with this little comb that I have, and I'm just twirling the end, and I'm overlapping it to where it can shrink and really be the same length as the wig, because my hair is way longer than the wig, and plus my hair was like pre-blown out. So yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and just blow dry that on the comb so we can get a nice little coil, and bam. I mean, it's still a little long, but it's going to shrink, y'all. Bear with me, it's going to shrink. I did have some hair at the very ends of my hair that needed to go, so I'm going to go ahead and just trim that off, and y'all, I think more than that needs to go too. So this is what it looks like, and y'all, it's like a little vibe. You know, this is just supposed to be a twist out, but it was a little vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, rock these little twists in the meantime until my hair dries. But it was a vibe, and I was like, y'all, this is kind of cute. If I had some hair jewelry, I would have, you know, kind of put it on those little twists, and it would have been like a nice little style. But for the most part, this is what it looks like, as I'm just going to go ahead and let those twists dry. Y'all can see the vision. Y'all see the vision with the curls of this wig and my natural hair. Y'all see it. But it's looking super cute. You can kind of put it behind your ears. You can kind of do a few different styles with these little twists. So y'all, if you plan on wearing this V-part wig with some twists at the front of your hair, go ahead and do it. This is your sign. Go ahead and do it because it looks cute. Add a couple accessories and y'all are ready to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick little 360. You guys can see how this wig looks, and putting a comb onto this wig and really fluffing out those curls will definitely work wonders. Or you can definitely go through it with like a Denman brush and define those curls and clump them together. Y'all see the vision. But I went ahead and let my twists sit for a few hours, and now I'm gonna go ahead and unravel them, and you guys can just see how this is coming together. Y'all look at it. Okay, you guys, so this is what this wig is looking like, and I am absolutely in love with the way that this style turned out. This is what the V-part opening looks like. You guys can see how natural it looks. Nobody is going to think that this is the wig. It totally looks like it is all my own natural hair, and I am absolutely here for it. Now, once again, this wig does come from Icy Hair. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. My wig is in this gorgeous kinky curly texture. It's 18 inches long, super breathable cap. It's sweat absorbent, so therefore with the summer months right around the corner, you're not going to worry about getting too hot, you know, anything like that. It has a C-shaped design, making this wig super comfortable. And y'all, it's so much more with this unit, and y'all, I am just in love. So once again, you guys check out Icy Hair. I will have all the details located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.